Should we start? Are we live?
Hey, I'm just checking. There seems to be some technical glitch from Facebook's end. I'm just resolving that. 1 second.
Okay. Oh, I thought I saw that notification. Yeah. I wonder if it's okay for us to talk like this out here. How many webinars are you attending in a day? I'm so happy to have you here today.
Too many.
Too many.
I work triple shifts. This morning, my first webinar was at 4:30 in the morning.
Oh, I'm sure.
I was speaking to about 900 people in Canada and US. So that's the inaugural speech of a event there. And then it's a different world altogether. Then मैं 5 continents में हो, 10 countries में हो. And then every day my routine happens is post 5:30, I have to work the America shift.
Oh God, yes.
Because all the staff is there.
Yes.
And all my work I have to do with them. So the various meetings get scheduled at that time.
Yes.
So 5:30 to 10:30 is America time.
Okay, we live.
Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm happy that we resolved that. Good evening. I'm Leena Kejriwal, and I'm really happy to have with us our esteemed guest, Mr. Shekhar Mehta, RI President, Rotary 2021-22. And but a little before I go into introducing and talking to Shekharji, I'm going to talk a little bit about who am I and what am I doing here talking to Shekharji today. So I'm Leena Kejriwal. I'm the founder of the Missing Link Trust. And and a little bit about our organization. We are an award-winning organization, and we use the power of innovation, education, and empowerment to prevent sex trafficking. We believe that awareness equals to prevention, and we use innovative tools and methodologies for mass engagement on the issue. Our vision is to create a world where every child is safe. Every year, millions of people across the world mobilize themselves to take individual and collective action for people and the planet, while our world leaders meet at the UN General Assembly. Friends, the 2020 Global Week to Act for SDGs started on September 18th and will continue till the 26th. It's a joint call to action for everyone, leaders, citizens, organizations, and institutions to commit to make this a turning point for people and the planet to put the goals at the heart of all their plans. I would like to initiate a call to action this week of action with the Missing Link Trust. We are live at the Act for SDGs page with our award-winning Missing Game for a Cause, the Global Missing Stencil Project, and our Sundarbans Lives Matter campaign. Head over to www.actforsdgs/partner/missing girls to do your bit in helping achieve the SDG goals of education, gender equality, decent work, and economic growth. That was quite a mouthful, but it's a lot of good work happening across the world, and I think each one of us should engage in that. To further contribute to the SDG 4 quality education, today we are hosting this really important dialogue with none other than Mr. Shekhar Mehta, the President of Rotary International 2020-21 and advisor to the Rotary India Literacy Mission. Shekhar needs really no introduction for most of the Rotarians who might be here today watching us. But for the benefit of the few others, I will do the needful. He is a true Rotarian and lives his life by the motto of service above self. A Rotary member since 1984, Mr. Mehta has served Rotary as director, member, and chair of several committees, zone coordinators, training leader, member of the Rotary Foundation cadre of technical advisors, and district governor. He is also the chair of the Rotary Foundation, India. He is actively involved in disaster response and a trustee of the Shelter Box UK. After 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, he had built nearly 500 homes for families affected by the disaster. He pioneered a program that has performed more than 1,500 life-changing heart surgeries in South Asia. He is also the architect of the TEACH program, which promotes literacy throughout India and reached thousands of schools. Shekhar has received Rotary Services Above Self Award and the Rotary Foundation Citation for Meritorious Service and Distinguished Service Awards. Welcome, Shekhar. Friend, colleague, and distinguished guest. It's a real honor and a pleasure to have you with us today. And I'm going to start by talking to you about something which you're most passionate about, and that is education. Shekhar, you've spoken, TEACH has been your passion, and we've seen how it's flowered and grown over the years. You've had ideology behind it, and it has proven to be a really effective tool. It has received a lot of attention and takers for it, especially from the e-learning section. The e-Siksha, which has been implemented in states like Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Punjab. I would like you to first talk to us a little about the program, because there are many others here who don't know yet.
Nice to be here with you, Leena, on this program for the Missing Link Trust. First of all, let me compliment for the good work that you're doing, and I'm aware of the work that you're doing, being in the same city, and you have kept in touch, kept us abreast of the work. And I find you've taken a lot of big strides over the year, which is really wonderful.
Thank you.
Coming to TEACH, it was about 7 years back that polio had already got eradicated. The last polio case in India was 2011, and that is Rotary's corporate program. And so after 3 years, we were certified as a polio-free country. And then we thought, even as we are going to focus on eradicating polio from the other parts of the world, at that time it was Nigeria, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. And I'm happy to share with you just last month, Africa region also has been declared polio-free. So the last bastion is Pakistan and Afghanistan. So even as we were working there in Pakistan, Afghanistan, we thought we need to do something in India where there is so much need, and we took up literacy as the program. And very frankly, at the beginning, we didn't know, just as for polio, we didn't know what we had to do. Similarly, for literacy, we were not very sure what needs to be done. But we realized there were 3 things that we needed to take care of: the child, the teacher, and the school itself. And so after meeting a lot of people, meeting other NGOs, taking their advice, meeting the bureaucrats, the politicians, the people who wrote the Right to Education Act, etc., I came up with an acronym, and which was called TEACH. The TEACH is a holistic program encompassing teacher training, e-learning, adult literacy, child development, and happy schools. We wanted it to be a holistic program because we had taken upon ourselves that we will make India totally literate. Now, for a totally literate India, there were many things that had to be done, including adult education. So that's how TEACH came into being. And thereafter, we have started working in every aspect, whether it is training teachers or starting e-learning programs or adult literacy program on a large scale, sending children back to school under child development, and creating schools into happy schools.
Yes. Yes. That's great. So your whole thing is about actually taking literacy to every last child. That's how it started. And now, of course, we are really facing this huge situation under COVID-19, where a lot of children, where the schools have closed. We have seen stats where at least something which there are some projections that 20% of all the girls who are actually enrolled won't come back to school. And there, like the whole drive which had been pushed this has going to be a little regressive, what has happened under COVID-19. Schools have stopped, and even though a lot of people still want to provide the literacy, they aren't able to reach the students. So there is this whole challenge being faced of the children beyond the digital divide. And at the same time, there is a very big concern of the amount of children today online and the cyber safety of those children. So how would you, in the Teach program, how are you all trying to even address these?
So, Lina, we were fortunate. It seems in Teach we had hit the bullseye, because over the last 6 years, we have worked on each of the aspects, and fortunately, we did not have to do any course correction, which really showed that we were probably on the right path. In fact, each year we added more partnerships with other NGOs, other funding agencies, other governments, state governments, and even, of course, the central government.
Yeah.
And then came COVID. And as truly they say, necessity is the mother of invention. It could not have been more true than in our case, in the case of Teach. You know, one of the programs I always used to say that e-learning is going to be the engine of the entire program. It's going to drive the rest of the programs, because e-learning brought in technology. By e-learning, what we meant was that every school will have audiovisual teaching facility. A child studies much better and comprehends much better, remembers much better, is more interested if the same teaching is done by audiovisual methods. And we all agree to that. Today, the virtual world is popular because of being audiovisual. Had the visuals not been there, it would not have been so popular. So when we started doing this, and this we started doing about 14 years back, some Rotary clubs in Maharashtra area had started doing this. And gradually, I came to know of it. And my way of working always has been, if a thing is successful, scale it up. In India, there is such huge need that unless we scale it up, it really doesn't create an impact. Fortunately, we scaled up. By now, we have reached out to more than 30,000 schools across India. But we were not happy with that. 30,000 schools meant nearly a crore of children. But here we know there are 25 crore children in the education system in India. Students, 25 crore. So we started developing content for individual states. So we developed content for Gujarat, then we developed for Punjab, for the Hindi belt we already had, for Madhya Pradesh, for Karnataka, we started some schools in Kannada. And then COVID gave this opportunity where one day I heard the Prime Minister mentioning that soon we are going to have audiovisual classes online on television. I immediately wrote to the PMO and they immediately responded. The Education Ministry came back to us and said if we could provide the material, the software, the audiovisual content for them. And I'm happy to say that probably 2nd October, I think that's the date it's going to get launched. There are going to be 12 channels on television, on Doordarshan. Swayam Prabha is the name of the channel. Class 1, channel number 1, class 4, channel number 4, class 9, channel number 9. 12 channels for class 12, for 12 classes. The content that is going to be shown there is going to be exactly based on the curriculum that the children were already studying in the school. And it is being vetted by NCERT. So if today, let's say, the children are going to learn about trigonometry, so the entire thing has been produced in audiovisual by us. And Rotary has been able to produce it and already provide it to the government. And it is a work in progress, but we are ready. For the next 3 months, the content is ready and the rest of the content will soon be available to the government. So to me, At Rotary, we had planned that in 5.5 years, Leena, we will
Yes.
reach out to every student in India by reaching out to every state.
Yes.
Because of COVID, because of this need, the government started these channels, and जो हम 5.5 साल में करना चाहते थे, वो
Right.
में हो गया. The content
Wow.
is now with the government, and the digital divide अगर break करना है, then there is nothing better than this. Especially television पे होने से. Not everybody has a smartphone. You cannot
Yes.
study so well on a smartphone. And connectivity का issue है, वगैरह problems है. But television is at every home in India, nearly every home in India. नहीं है तो बगल वाले के घर पे देख सकता हूँ. It's not problematic. So television
Brilliant.
is becoming a very good means, and what they are doing, ये 12 channel होने से the advantage is they're on channel number 5, class 5 का content. Let's say today the subject is geography. They will show the same content 5 times over. So I can watch it anytime I want to. I'm sitting at home because I'm a student and I'm lockdown condition mein. But we are
Yes.
3 brothers and sisters. So what do? I watch
Yes.
at 1 o'clock. My sister watches class 1 at 4 o'clock. My elder brother watches class 9 at 8 a.m. So, एक television mein all of us can watch because there are 12 different channels for it. So I think it's a great thing that the government has done, and we felt fortunate that we could participate in that. Even for other things, the virtual world is opening amazing opportunities. हमारा teacher training का जो program है, that's doing wonderful. Just last month, we've trained more than 95,000 teachers because of the online platform.
Right.
हमारे club की meeting, I'll give you an example. My Rotary Club meeting, normally the attendance would be 40 to 50 people.
Yes.
We invited Shiv Khera to be a guest speaker, and we had 2,400 people on that Zoom call. That's what a regular weekly meeting has become. This morning, I was in Canada and USA, addressing about 800 people there. So the virtual world is helping achieve things which otherwise would not have been possible. And this has come to stay. I'm sure you are experiencing the advantage also.
Totally. I mean, this is happening because it's a virtual world. I would have never been able to get your time otherwise. Though I do have your attention. I think you have known about our program since the very beginning, and you have been one of the greatest. I mean, a person who always encouraged me from the day one. You've told me there is promise, and just go ahead. I just want to bring it to highlight about what we are doing under the Missing Anti-Trafficking program. Like I was telling you, we have 3 pillars of our work: innovation, education, and empowerment. Under education, what we have done is we have been going into schools for a systematic awareness program. Because in anti-trafficking space, the UN has the first P is prevention. Prevention can only happen through awareness. And systematic awareness can only happen in a school space. Like I have been talking, but this last 2 years, we've actually been really strengthening our program. We have reached over 1 lakh of students, and we have reached 15 states. And we have a lot of research and learnings which are coming in through that, and we are building our program. And now we have, under COVID-19, the last few months, we've been building our cyber safety modules with cyber safety experts, legal help, so that if anybody is facing an issue, they have a full end-to-end. हुआ क्या करना है, किसको tackle करना है, कहाँ जाना है. A full end service for cyber safety, cyber psychology, parents module, because parents are playing a really big role today in their children's safety. Because like I kept telling you, like we've realized like safety actually has to become a parameter which is tackled within the school space. And that's why we are just now giving a proposal to the NCPCR for online modules. I know we are talking about the gadgets and devices which a lot of people don't have, but there are still a whole population which needs it, even in an online space, be it in their laptops, smartphones. And we are also looking at audio modules, the radio, the community radios, because that's also another very powerful. And because we are talking about a very serious topic, Shekhar, it's not a normal learning like a normal history, maths, geography. Our learnings are very immersive and they are narrative based. तो कहानी कहानी में ही बच्चे समझ के निकल जाएंगे कि उनको क्या करना है. And we have very interactive exercises which we have developed, all been vetted by specialists, and we are now putting it together module wise monthly. So that's where I think I am going to be approaching the RILM to see how we can fit it into your requirement for cyber safety, which you all might need for the program. But anyway, beyond that, there is so much which we all have to do, and we all have to take our work forward. So just going back to today the country is really struggling with these figures of how the children are not the education not being reached, which you have been tackling, and how we are talking about cyber safety, about children going back, about there being though all our efforts are being there, collective efforts to make sure that the children receive the education, but we will see that digression or regression happening. So how about the challenges? Like today, what's happening? Organization like mine, it's very small, and I know a lot of the funds which are going towards this for the general upliftment of society are going towards larger NGOs and a larger fund. So how would you suggest, like, because I know you are also involved with a lot of people doing all kinds of good work. So what are the key challenges which you feel a smaller organization like us can face, and how can we rise above these challenges we are facing in the pandemic?
So first thing I always tell is dream big. देखो ख्वाब बड़ा देखोगे तो काम तो हो ही जाएगा. मैंने कहा we wanted to do something in 5.5 years, a very challenging job. I knew that it was extremely challenging. But here now we will be able to reach 10 crore children by October. And 3 months thereafter, we should be able to reach 25 crore children when we would have got it translated in different languages simultaneously. So have big dreams. Rest of what Gandhi had said, find the goal and the means will follow. Means have always followed. For good work in India, I tell you, people are after you to give you money. They'll pour money if the work is good and you are sincere and genuine about the work. And the space that you've chosen is so very relevant. It is so important. Trafficking, the safety of the children, safety, cyber safety, etc. These are extremely important topics. People at times do not realize, especially in a country where there are crores and crores of people, where 20% of the adult population is illiterate. In our country, the population is 135 crores and 27 crores, which is exactly 20%, are adult illiterate. उनके बच्चे जब कंटेंट पे पहुंचने लगेंगे, and when online education, when they will start, if they do not have smartphones, they'll start borrowing, sharing with others. It will be so important that they are aware what to see, what not to see, when to not get lured by people who are trying to create stuff, entice you, and then even at times lead you to trafficking. For example, violence on cyberspace, pornography, enticing children, luring them away for trafficking. All of these, if people are aware that such a thing can happen, I think they will be better equipped. And Leena, I can suggest, fortunately, we now have the reach because of this technology. We, as I said, should be able to reach about 10 crore children to start with. If you find that there is a content class-wise divided, so class 6 children need to see this content, class 7 this, class 10 this content, and if you have the content in audiovisual form, you and Rotary India Literacy Mission, we can partner under the TEACH program and see so as to give the content far greater reach. You said you've been able to reach out to 1 lakh. उसके आगे 2 0 और जुड़ जाएंगे, 1 करोड़ तक पहुंच सकते हो. So
It's
it
so
is absolutely possible. So just we need to see what the content is, and if the content can be uploaded on the program that we are giving to NCERT, and you
yes,
know, NCERT will approve it. So
yes,
that is it's the government which is going to show the content. So the
yes.
content that you give, we will get it vetted by NCERT. You can be a part of that. If they want any changes, it could be done. And I think it can serve a very important purpose.
That's of course brilliant. We are looking at that because we are very confident of the content we've created, and that's going to be the next step. So, I mean, because I have you here and because I'm also a Rotarian, right? I have served, I've been a president of my club. And I know there are these amazing energy of people. Rotarians, I think, across the world are the moment you know as a Rotarian, then you know that the hearts are in the right place. So I want to know your vision now. Today, it's COVID. You are taking forward an organization at a very crucial point in time. And what are you envisaging? How would you like Rotary? What are your steps as an RI president? What are you taking? And how would you like to motivate the fellow Rotarians to rise to this problem?
So and this is the subject that I speak every day on, Leena. These are most challenging times of our lives. We haven't seen anything. The world hasn't seen anything like that. Imagine the superpowers or the smallest countries. All of us have been locked down for 6 months now. It's unbelievable, unthinkable. कभी हम सोच नहीं सकते थे. मैं 7 दिन कभी लास्ट 10 साल में 7 दिन तक लगातार इंडिया में नहीं रहा हूँ. I mean, कैलकाटा में नहीं रहा हूँ. And here for 6 months I haven't stepped out of Calcutta also. So, and not stepped out of home for 3 months, but we still found opportunities in these challenges. We did everything that was needed to be done. Imagine sitting at home. I haven't gone to Delhi for signing that MOU with the government. It was done online. The minister came online, the education minister came online. We signed the MOU. Delhi में 2 जन मिलके उन्होंने sign कर दिया वहाँ पे. We had about 12,000 people online on that day when we did the signing, MOU signing. And nobody has moved from one city to the other, and yet all the content has already gone to them. Teacher training, मैंने बताया आपको हो रहा है. I'll give you an example. Under Happy School program, we also provide midday meals. तो government provide करती है. हमने start किया over the last 3 years. We have provided 1.5 million meals. 15 लाख बच्चों को हमने खिलाया है morning breakfast. So now in lockdown situation, what can be done? Unlockdown situation के अंदर में भी the children are not coming to school, but we have the resources to give to them. So what we did was हमने उनको next 15 दिन का dry ration pack कर करके by the same amount of money 15 दिन का ration pack करके एक दिन बुलाया उनको distancing रख के और उनको दे दिया गया. दूसरे दिन दूसरी क्लासेस को बुला के उनको दे दिया गया. So we are able to रास्ता निकल जा रहा है हर चीज के लिए. I'll give you another example. हमारा एक प्रोग्राम है स्किल डेवलपमेंट का. So skill development में we've tied up with Apollo MediSkills, and Apollo is what they are doing is they are giving online training for 2 months, hand holding 2 months online करेंगे और उसके बाद 1 महीने के लिए हॉस्पिटल भेज देंगे ट्रेनिंग के लिए. And they will be able to start earning more than 9,000 rupees per month. These were people who were unemployed, unskilled, and suddenly thousands of them are going to get skilled, and they will all do it even during lockdown periods. We are using the virtual world to do it. So I keep telling everything. हमने जून महीने में रोटरी का सबसे बड़ा आज तक का फंडरेजर ऑनलाइन किया. We probably, it was also one of the biggest PR exercises that happened for Rotary. For 3 hours, we had a program called Choti Si Asha, and it was on Colors TV, it was on Facebook, YouTube, everything. And we had the who's who of the Bollywood world. Who wasn't there, right? From Mr. Amitabh Bachchan to Salman Khan to Hrithik Roshan. Name the person, and that person was performing for us. I mean, a big thank you to all these people. I would suggest other NGOs also. Let's find out. Let's not think that this is going to be a problem. Some things you will be able to do online. पर
Yes.
ग्रास पे जाके काम करना है वो शायद नहीं हो सकता है.
हाँ, वो तो
वहां
नहीं
के लिए my suggestion is this is the time to sharpen your axe. And that's what we are doing. ये TEACH में sending the children back to school, we cannot send them back to school. We have something called Asha Kiran, एक program है. हम जो स्कूल से बच्चे ड्रॉप हो गए हैं या कभी स्कूल नहीं गए, for them we have a special program. And this program is for children of sex workers, children of migrant laborers, children of beggars, or children who are themselves beggars, etc. In बच्चों को you will understand, you
Yes.
work with them, how difficult it is to send one child back to school.
Yes.
एक भिखारी के बच्चे को या भिखारी जो खुद भीख मांग रहा है उसको एक बार भेजने का ट्राई करिए स्कूल, then you will realize how difficult it is. That boy or girl is already earning 6,000-7,000 rupees a month. Why would they want to go to school? It's very difficult. Even parents को समझाना. But that's what we were doing, and right now we cannot. So what we were doing earlier was Asha Kiran centers होते थे हमारे. ऐसे हम 500 centers चला रहे थे at one time. कम ज्यादा होते रहते हैं सेंटर से. 6-8 महीना बच्चा वहां पढ़ता है, उनको बच्चों को समझाया जाता है, उनको बिहेवियरल चेंज उनमें लाया जाता है. इफ 12 साल का बच्चा है, क्लास 2 का बुक नहीं पढ़ पा रहा है, उसको नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स के अंदर में 2 क्लास और आगे पढ़ सके उतनी ट्रेनिंग उसे दे दी जाती है. एंड देन वी एडमिट दीज चिल्ड्रन. आफ्टर अबाउट 9 months they are admitted into government schools.
Yes.
Right now neither can we run the Asha Kiran center nor can we take them to the school. But
Yes.
we are doing their online interviews of selecting the children. वो जो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस हमें 2 महीने लगते हैं, हमने वो सारा काम करके रख दिया. So that's what I call sharpening the axe.
Yeah.
वो काम सारा करके रख लिया. So this is my suggestion to other NGOs. There are a lot of things you will be able to do at the grassroots. You can raise funds if you want. You can spread the word, good word spread करने के लिए तो अभी से better time नहीं है. Just like we are doing today.
Yes.
Maybe hundreds of people who are watching will come to know a little more about the subject. They'll get interested. Will join you in the program. So awareness creation के लिए अच्छा टाइम है. Grassroots level काम जो हो सकता है करना चाहिए और नहीं तो उसके लिए preparation करना चाहिए.
वही कर रहे हैं. We've been really preparing. That's why we were sharpening our whole modules, our cyber safety, our adolescent educations. So that is there. And talking about preparing and goodwill and relationship building, I also want to thank you today because you actually have an amazing person who's on my advisory, retired Nayan Patel, whom I met because of yours truly. You introduced us, and I think I was a speaker at the RILM in Chennai, and after that, Mr. Patel came and met me, and he really believed in our work. And I think he's one of those true gentlemen who actually, though we are a smaller organization and it's a hard task, right, to support somebody like us, though our intentions are there, but because of our initial stage progress, but he's been with us thick and thin, and he's really helped me the last few years, 2 years, I can tell you that, Shekhar. I would like to thank you. And Nayan can't be here today, but he's asked me to ask you a question or two from his side.
Sure.
He's asked us.
He's a great guy, let me tell you.
Yes.
Very few people who, normally I am the guy who pushes people. He's one guy who pushes me at times.
Yes.
शेखर ये हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, इसको करना है, हमें ये काम करना है. He's in London, I'm in Calcutta, but he's so passionate about doing good things, of helping people. And he's so very well connected in all of England. He's excellently connected and a very helpful person.
Very helpful. I can't even tell you how much. So some questions from his, of course, little similar to what I think we've touched, but I will still say it because they're coming directly from Nayan. What do you think are the main issues and the key challenges facing smaller charities, which you already said, we have to sharpen our skills, and I think where you said the good work is what will shine. Anything specific which you want to say here, which we can go back with beyond what you said?
Partnerships. Very important. And because Nayan की बात कर रही हूँ इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, that man is amazing at getting you partners.
He has got us some good, very good.
वहाँ के लंदन की बहुत कम चैरिटीज होंगी जिसके अंदर में वो नहीं इन्वॉल्व रहता है, या तो वो इन्वॉल्व है या उसका फ्रेंड इन्वॉल्व है. कम से कम 20 लॉर्ड्स होंगे जो उसके फ्रेंड्स हैं वहां पर अपर हाउस और
I've been introduced to a few. Yeah.
yeah. So he's good there. Even here locally also, Lena, if even having Rotary's network, despite that, if we have been able to progress, it is only and only because of our partnerships. अभी हम जो एडल्ट लिटरेसी का एक प्रोग्राम है हमारा, वेयर वी हैव, मैंने बताया आपको कि 20% ऑफ इंडियाज पॉपुलेशन इज एडल्ट इलिटरेट, व्हिच मींस 27 करोड़ पीपल. अब इमेजिन करो, इंडियाज लास्ट सेंसस पे इंडिया की लिटरेसी रेट वाज 74%. चलो नेक्स्ट ईयर वापस सेंसस है, इट विल नॉट क्रॉस 80% बिकॉज 20% तो इलिटरेट है ना, एडल्ट इलिटरेट, उनके लिए वो तो लिटरेट नहीं बन गए हैं. So we have now decided हम उनको literate बनाएंगे next 5 साल के अंदर में. In next 5 years India has to reach from 74 और now maybe next year तक 80, 81, 82, 83% होगा. We will take it to 95% by ensuring ये जो 27 करोड़ हैं उसके अंदर में कम से कम 20 करोड़ लोग literate हो जाएं. और ये possible होगा. I'll tell you how. We have given the proposal to the government and the government's जो ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसी है, it is based on the suggestions that we have given, and we feel blessed that the minister at that time, Mr. Javadekar, took it forward, and thereafter the next minister, Ramesh Pokhriyal ji, he also has taken it forward, and finally the policy document has come, and it does mention at various places Rotary India Literacy Mission. We will work with Rotary India Literacy Mission. There हम क्या कर रहे हैं? A child is going to teach an adult during the summer holiday.
Okay.
25 करोड़ बच्चे, 25 करोड़ स्टूडेंट्स एजुकेशन सिस्टम में है इंडिया के, और 27 करोड़ एडल्ट इलिटरेट हैं. थियोरेटिकली एक साल में ये काम हो सकता है, थियोरेटिकली ओनली, लेकिन हम सोचते हैं ओनली 20% सक्सेस होगी, और वो इसलिए होगी कि हम अपनी जी जान लगा देंगे जस्ट रोटरी की तरफ से, जस्ट एज वी हैड डन फॉर पोलियो. बट वी नो इट इज सच अ मैमथ जॉब, वी कैन नॉट डू इट अलोन. सो वी हैव नाउ टाइड अप विद बॉय स्काउट्स. हम ब्रह्म कुमारी के साथ टाइप हम कर रहे हैं. यंग मुस्लिम प्रोफेशनल्स है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, उनके साथ कर रहे हैं. रामचंद्र मिशन है उनके साथ. दीज आर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हु हैव मेंबरशिप 10 लाख, 12 लाख, 20 लाख, 25 लाख. We will need these people and we will work together. And one thing I've realized in partnership, do not try to take credit yourself, share it. If people are ready to share credit, we can move the mountains. Absolutely, we can move mountains.
Excellent. Thank you so much. We have actually moved so far only with partnerships, and because of organization, collaboration with organizations. Like otherwise, हमारी छोटी team इतने 1 लाख बच्चों को भी कैसे पहुंच पाती? It was not possible. But I will take that further with you on that, even with your teach team, to see how we can. Going to another question from him is, of course, again, something similar. Rotary in India has continued to play a remarkable and significant, important role by helping the government of India in addressing many of India's social and humanitarian needs. Under your leadership, Rotary India has attracted substantial social capital, especially from Rotarians, and helped build tremendous community spirit, as well as attracting an army of Rotary volunteers to serve community, especially the underprivileged and those trapped in poverty. What steps have been taken by Rotary India to maintain the spirit of service above self during this difficult and challenging times of the pandemic, as there appears to be no sign of the virus going away, with experts commenting we are likely to be here for a long haul? You have mentioned some parts of it. If there's anything more you want to talk about, say.
So, Leena, I do one thing. If there is a dream, so first have big dreams. I always believe, and I myself totally believe in it. Because I am from an organization where 35 years back, somebody had the courage to dream of a polio-free world. Now, it's a big deal, let me tell you. 35 years, 1.2 million Rotarians ka one corporate program, 35 साल तक एक program पे लगे रहना is a difficult task. And these are volunteers, mind you.
Yes.
Okay. And लगे हुए हैं, when we started the program, more than 125 countries were afflicted with polio. Now, only 2. 3.5 लाख बच्चे cripple हो जाते थे, and you are a Rotarian. तब cripple हो जाते थे polio से. This year, less than 150. Hopefully this will be the last year, or maybe the next, maybe the last year. But this was possible because there was a big dream. So let's keep dreaming. जब ड्रीम करेंगे तो उसके रास्ते भी निकलने लग जाएंगे, और निकल रहे हैं रास्ते, हर चीज के निकल रहे हैं. थोड़ा सा टाइम ज्यादा लग जाएगा. एंड वंस आई ड्रीम इट, I declare it. Because again, I believe in what Gandhi has said. मैंने बताया, find the goal and the means will follow. अगर means सोचता वो बंदा जिसने पोलियो इरेडिकेशन सोचा था, तो वो कभी इस गोल को कर ही नहीं सकता था, इस सपने को देख ही नहीं सकता था. Because last year, after 34 years of starting the program, we had to raise $2 billion. 15,000 करोड़ रुपए इकट्ठे करने पड़े हैं लास्ट ईयर. सोचो, कोई सोच सकता है कि आज से एक एनजीओ, आज से 34 साल बाद हमें 17,000 करोड़ रुपए इकट्ठे करने पड़ेंगे, लेट अस स्टार्ट दिस प्रोग्राम. और 17,000 करोड़ कब करने पड़ेंगे? जब सिर्फ 3 देशों में बचा रहेगा तब. सोचो, जब 125 देशों में है तब कितने पैसे लगे होंगे. तो हु कैन, you can only do it if you are ready to dream it. Once you dream it, announce it. What happens is, if मैं अगर 10 बार हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे बोल रहा हूं कि yes, we will make India totally literate by the year 2025, I have committed to the world. I am not a person who will go back on my words. I will keep. अब मुझे सुबह शाम लगे रहना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. So I think in such times, in challenging times, our spirit has to be very high, very, very high. This is a time when spirits can get wilted. When Mr. Gajendra Shekhawat, who's the Jal Shakti के minister, वो हमारे इवेंट पे आए, तो वो बोले, शेखर जी, I am amazed कि आप अभी भी अपने वादे पे कायम हैं, जो कि पानी पे आप जो जो काम करना चाहते हैं आप कायम हैं. मैंने अच्छे अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और अच्छे अच्छे लोगों को देखा है that during pandemics they have backed out. But we haven't. We have committed to him that Rotary's role is now going to be a nation building role. हम वाटर के सिलसिले में 10% काम जो गवर्नमेंट करेगी उसका 10% हम करने के लिए तैयार हैं over the next 5 years. And that's a big call. 10% of the work of the government of India, second largest country in the world by population. It's a tough task. But having committed, having said this, we planned it out and we are ready. जैसे ही कोविड बंद खत्म होगा, हम जाने लग जाएंगे. We'll start erecting those check dams. We'll start cleaning those water bodies. वो जो बावड़ीज and those राजस्थान में तुमने देखे होंगे, उन सबको क्लीन करना. Even at other places, the work is, even now the work is going on. So at such times, more than ever, there is need for us to have the resolve कि करके तो छोड़ेंगे.
So Shekhar, I know we're talking about things we'll do. Under COVID, what we are finding, there are 2 or 3 things which everybody's facing, and even the COVID-19 Niti Aayog is talking about what the corporate social responsibility should be taken care of. They're talking about the need for generating livelihood in remote pockets where there's very high reverse migration and they're very poor. That's one region where we are working in Sundarbans. Because there we are seeing, actually, because it's so remote and so poor, trafficking, exploitation bhi jahan wahan pe zyada hoti hai. So there are 2 very big issues which we are actually addressing. One is cyber safety, because more and more children are online. And one is about how can we really give livelihood options to communities in remote regions of the country where they have returned. That's also something which the Niti Aayog is pushing. So how about Rotary? I know Rotary has Swachh Bharat, Rotary has had polio, Rotary has Teach. But do you envisage, because we still are, I think it's another 6 months before COVID goes away. So 6 mahine bhi bahut badi span ho jati hai. Is madhyan, can we talk about doing actually something specifically under COVID?
Yes, I mentioned a little while back, if you remember, मैंने बताया था जो हमारी partnership है with Apollo Mediskills. Where we are online training दे रहे हैं, already start हो गया है program online training. So wherever you are, even if you are in Sundarbans, if you want to promote it there, all you need is, and with Jio dongle it's possible, Jio, Airtel, anything. I mean, if the connectivity is there, these young girls, boys, they can online get trained and thereafter they can get jobs. They will be 95% of these people will also be absorbed in a job by Apollo Mediskills themselves. So that's one way of skilling. We have another program of skilling about 30,000 widows or single mothers और their unmarried children. इनकी ट्रेनिंग का हमारा एक प्रोग्राम है. उसमें से 6,000 का काम शुरू हो चुका था और बाकी का तो फिर अब कोविड के बाद हो पाएगा.
अच्छा, ये तो बहुत ही है. It's a very strong program, and of course there's a whole program. I think of vaccines also. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure there are smaller other clubs who are addressing issues which are specifically which they can address right now under COVID. So my call for you would be, because you are a visionary and you are able to drive and create such a major energy of action for any particular, we are facing these two issues about cyber safety and about livelihood options in the remote regions and reverse, which because of reverse migration. And
so I'll tell you, Leena, I will put you on. You just today had some discussion with the Rotary India Literacy Mission people. हमारा जो teach में A है ना, adult literacy, it is not just adult literacy. Its का other component is also skill development. When we were formulating this, तो लोगों ने कहा आप adult को literate तो कर देंगे, फिर उसके बाद उनका क्या होगा? So we said, okay, we will do skill development also. So that's why that skill development program has come in. So if there are people in Sundarban areas who are interested in skill development programs, we can get that. I'll give you another thing. There is something called gig employment. Again, a terminology, new gig employment. So you छोटी-छोटी चीजें लोग कर रहे हैं. हमने जिनको सिलाई की ट्रेनिंग दी थी, now suddenly they have उनकी huge demand हो गई. They are getting absorbed by people who are making masks, who are making PPE kits.
Excellent.
So, ट्रेनिंग जिनको थी वो एब्जॉर्ब हो जा रहे हैं. अभी भी क्या है, सिलाई मशीन अगर है और 5 जन एक सिलाई मशीन से अगर कमी है वहां पर, तो एक सिलाई मशीन से 5 जन सीख सकते हैं. सिलाई मशीन पोर्टेबल also, so they can learn, and thereafter, I mean, masks is now PPE kits. These are billion-dollar industries now.
Yes.
They are importing that. They could become a part of it. Why not?
Yes. No, but that's great insights. So we will, of course, be reaching your team out. But I was talking generally, not just for missing, but I'm sure there are a lot of other organizations who are looking at that. And so we are, I was just looking at some questions out here. There are people who asked us, like, suppose you are talking about the TEACH program, reaching children on the TV. So how are they addressing the language barrier? Somebody has asked that.
Yes. So as I told, right now, हम हिंदी और इंग्लिश कंटेंट दिया है हमने, and soon I said in 3 months we are going to reach 25 crores. Right now only 10 crores. That's because Hindi and English speaking जो area है, that will be about 10 crores, and the rest of them will be 15 crores more. We as soon as this gets streamlined by October, we will start. मैंने कहा 3 महीने और लेंगे, because हम तब गुजराती, मराठी, कन्नड़, तमिल, तेलुगु, उड़िया, अहमिया, इन सारे लैंग्वेजेस के अंदर में उसका ट्रांसलेशन स्टार्ट कर देंगे. We already, you see, the solar eclipse is going to be solar eclipse in every language. All we need to do is just change the voiceover. If we change the voiceover, rest everything is all right. So it's not difficult to be able to do it.
So it's planning. It's in the plans
to
change
absolutely, it. Absolutely. It's very important. We cannot just do it for some people and leave, and especially the government cannot do it.
Yes.
So
and one more question. That's actually the way ahead. And abhi agar aap bol rahe ho, e-learning will become your main tool anyway, jo aage jaake hona hai. And someone's asked, what about those families who do not have TVs in their homes? How are we tackling that?
So, देखो, आज के दिन it is very difficult in India to find a family which does not have a television or a smartphone. ठीक है? You go to any basti and do it. Please do it. The person who's asked me the question, please go. You will find हर घर में television है और हर तीसरे घर के बाहर एक बाइक खड़ी है, मोटर बाइक खड़ी है. I've seen this in the slums of Mumbai, in the slums of Calcutta. I've seen this. Yet, I agree, there will be the most marginalized people who will not have televisions.
Yes.
So Rome was not built in a day. We will also not solve all problems in a day. अगर मान लो 25 करोड़ बच्चे हैं तो हम 20 करोड़ तक तो शायद पहुंच जा रहे हैं.
Right.
That is an excellent step to start with.
Right.
एंड जिसके घर में टीवी नहीं है, कभी कभी वो बगल के घर में जाके शेयर कर सकता है. जब पहली बार टेलीविजन आया था कैलकाटा में, वी ऑल रिमेम्बर, मेरे घर पर टेलीविजन था. शाम होती नहीं कि द हाउस वाज, द ड्राइंग रूम वाज फुल ऑफ पीपल, बिकॉज आस पास ऊपर नीचे हर कोई टेलीविजन देखने आ जाता था.
Yes.
Probably again, people will have to share, children will have to share with
Yes.
each other.
Yes. Of course, that's always there. And India में तो एक जन आते हैं तो वो झुंड आई जाती है, किसी को बुलाना नहीं पड़ता है. And of course, if it's going to be streamlined with the government, then it becomes like a proper systematic execution. It's not a random execution of the learnings. And under NCERT, I think people have seen online TV learning for a long while now. It's not new. काफी सालों से चल रहा है. It's not new.
But this now these 12 channels are a new thing. They are dedicated channels for each class, and multiple times दिखाया जा रहा है same content, so that and it is in the sequence that a child is expected to study at school.
Okay. No, that's excellent. So you are here, and I've spoken. I've actually fleshed out my whole whatever I had in my mind for the school program. I literally have, I think, all the thoughts out from you here. But you are here, and we have an excellent audience. Is there anything other point out here which I haven't addressed? Would you like to share with us here today, Shekhar? Because we would love to get any whatever your learnings in this space under COVID and your Rotary, above self, service above self, anything which you'd like to share.
So let me tell you something, a preview into the next year that will be for Rotary, and it'll be music to your ears. And even when I was thinking of this, I was thinking of your program and thinking of you. Rotary mein, we have 7 areas of focus. You are aware, 7 areas. So we water, sanitation, health, economic, community development. Now environment has got added. I have said that next year, while we'll keep working in each of these, we will do so with the lens of the girl child in mind.
Okay.
So if there is water and sanitation issues, first thought is about the girl child. Usko sanitary napkins मिल सक रहे हैं कि नहीं मिल सक रहे हैं, उसकी menstrual hygiene की का ध्यान रखा जा रहा है कि नहीं रखा जा रहा है. अगर peace building है तो conflict resolution और peace, which is one of the areas of focus, उसके अंदर में are we ensuring that violence against the girl child is not happening, trafficking नहीं हो रही है, which is so very close to what you do. Again, when it's education, like you said, 20% of the girls will not go back to school. So look, it is becoming so relevant. Our Asha Kiran program will now focus more even than earlier on the girl child to go back. So this is one thing I thought let me just share with you. It'll be music to your ears because
totally.
And we will. I will come to you now to get some thought from you and get you involved in that program also.
Yeah.
And this will be a worldwide program. I've just started discussing with people about this. Secondly, a lot of people are seeing this show, and I'm sure these are all people, either Rotarians or maybe they are Rotarians at heart. They may not be members of a Rotary club. So a Rotarian at heart is a person who thinks of serving, thinks of other people before he or she thinks of himself or herself. So I would suggest, do meet up with Rotarians. आप member बने ना बने, साथ में काम जरूर करिए. बहुत कुछ करने की जरूरत है हमारे देश में. जैसा मैंने बताया आपको, अगर हम देखेंगे 20% तो एडल्ट इलिटरेट हैं. हमारे बच्चे 95% से ज्यादा बच्चे स्कूल में एडमिट हो जाते हैं, बट द गर्ल चाइल्ड बाय द टाइम शी रीचेज कॉलेज 25% only remain in school, the rest have all dropped out. Such a huge need. Trafficking is a major issue. Corridor है हमारे यहाँ पर trafficking के लिए. So there are so many things. हर area के अंदर में पानी की समस्या. सोचिए हमारे आपके घर में बाथरूम में गए, टैप ऑन किया, पानी आ गया. 50 किलोमीटर दूर जाइए अपने घर से, वहां नल ही नहीं है, पानी कहां से आएगा? घर में नल नहीं है, हजारों लाखों घरों के अंदर में there is no tap water. How about adopting one village and ensuring, and you don't know how to do it, get hold of a Rotarian. The Rotarian will help. He will bring resources. He will also bring his own commitment and skills to do that. So my message would be that please do join hands. हम सबको करने की जरूरत है, and सिर्फ Rotary is a platform where we are trying to do something good for the country. पर हर एक की responsibility. I think every individual is responsible for building up the nation. The government is doing an amazing job of the development. But then suddenly nature आ जाता है बीच में, and then we realize कि हम सबसे बढ़ के nature है. So, but even in these times, we need to keep working.
Yes, Shekhar, we are continuing to work, and I think with great leaders like you, it's always heartwarming to talk and to get your insights and your learnings. I think we are nearly in the wrap-up time. I would like to really thank you for taking this time out and giving us this really valuable 1 hour. I know it's a discussion which is on an open forum, but I think I'm going back from here with really tremendous learning, which I'm going to, I really hope to execute in the near future. And we hope to, with RILM, we hope to do more, and even without, like, I think it's anyway, humko to, we have बढ़ते चलो, वही हम लोग का motto है. Let's hope it works. Otherwise कुछ और work का होएगा. अभी तक हम लोग यहाँ पहुंचे हैं, आगे भी चलना है, बहुत कुछ करना है. And the Girl Child, an anti-trafficking action group from India, which would also be something which I think we should look at. It'd be really great,
Sure.
especially if we be in sync with what you are proposing for the coming years.
Absolutely.
Trafficking of girls and women is really increasing. Cyber trafficking is really increasing, and I would love the Rotarians
So, Leena,
here.
that will be the special group will be the next topic that we will discuss offline.
Ekdam. Pakka, I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm 24 hours. I'm only talking about this issue, thinking about this issue. So I can.
Same here.
So I would love all the other fellow Rotarians here to really rise to whatever we spoke, and we hope we all can forge partnerships and do a lot of good work together. And I'd like to thank you again, Shekhar, for being here and adding value to our platform. And we hope to do some good work together. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Leena. It's been wonderful interacting with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Namaskar.